Hello guys, in this video I will be demonstrating you on how to install our web server and create a simple website for our domain controller, which can also be accessed by our domain users in our TUP-Taguig domain. So without any further ado, this is how we will do our web server. First step is go to your administrative tools and then click add roles and then click next, and in the server roles tick on the application server and the web server, which is the IIS. Just click next, and in here just click next and then click the ASP.NET, the Windows authentication, and also the dynamic content compression and the IIS6 management compatibility. Then proceed to the installation of the web server. Let us just wait until the installation has finished, and now go to our administrative tools and we will be seeing our IIS manager. Expand, then go to your IIS manager and then expand your created domain. Go to sites, then default website, and then go to sites and add your website. Configure your site name as well. Select a directory for the application. So in this we will be creating web servers for each organizational units in our domain controller. So I will be doing time lapse to save video duration. And after creating your websites for each organizational unit, go to your computers, go to the inetpub, localdisk inetpub, and the www root. Then for each folder, open the IIS start file and open it using your notepad, and you will be seeing an HTML markup form, and you will be editing it based on how you want to lay out your web pages for each organizational units. And there you have it. We have successfully created web servers or websites for each organizational unit in our TUP-Taguig domain. I hope that you have learned something, and yeah, as always, happy networking everyone. And for our next part, it will be about the group policies implementation in our domain controller. Bye.